यो वै तां ब्रह्मणो वेदामृतानामृतां पुरं तस्मै ब्रह्मा च ब्रह्माश्च चक्षुः प्राणं प्रजाददुः न वै तं चक्षुर्जहति न प्राणो जरसः पुरं यो ब्रह्मणो वेद यस्य पुरुष उच्यते। अष्टचक्रा नवद्वारा देवानां पुरयोधया तस्यां हिरण्यमयकोशः स्वर्गो ज्योतिषावृता तस्मिन् हिरण्यमये कोशे त्रैरे त्रिप्रतिष्ठिते तस्मिन् यद् यक्षम् आत्मवत् तद्वै ब्रह्मविदो विदु। Definition of prana word: अग्नि सोम वायु सत्वम रजस तमः पंचेन्द्रियाणि भूतात्मेति प्राणः। सुश्रुत शारीरिक स्थान चैप्टर 4:3। अग्नि सोम वायु, these are three deities. Sattva rajatama, these are three characters. Five senses and atma, that is soul. There are 12 pranas. Agni present into body in the form of five pittas, Dhatuvagni, and as a reason of their respective energy. It present in the form of deities of speech. Soma, present into the body in the form of five types of kapha, rasa, shukra, and other water element prominent dravyas. In taste senses, it present as a factor form, and it present in the form of master deities of mana, that is mind. Vayu present in the form of five types of prana: udana, samana, apana, and vyana. Five microsenses along with linga sharir, that is micro bodies, enter into the human body at their respective macro installation. Soul, that is atma, enters into the human body along with sukshma sharir as the impulse of past life deed. For modern science, nervous system center, ancient sages gave terminology of chakras. For brain, there is a Sahasrara and Shatadalapadam chakras. There are Ashtachakra in, that is 8 chakra in human body. Navadwara, that is 9 opening in body. They are 2 ear, 2 eyes, 2 nasal, 1 mouth, and 1 anal, and 1 genital. Nose, as per modern science, is a single opening, but as per ancient Sarvodaya Shastra, breath enters from a single nasal opening at a time and exhale from another opening of nose. It can feel ourselves at the time of breathing. As per entrance of air from the nasal opening in our body, there are increase of hot or cold properties in the body. Sages also describe good or bad of their intended tasks. It was described in ancient in Yajurveda chapter 34. Mind described as Jyotisham Jyoti and Yaj Jyotir Antaramruta Prajasu. Therefore, in third mantra, I describe Jyoti as a mind. In this chapter, in Yadapurva Yakshmam Antam Prajanam, in this line, it described as a Yaksha. As per evidence of this Veda, in the fourth mantra, I give an ancient meaning Baihya and the my meaning Mana, that is mind also. To pray as a meaning from Yaj verb. Yaksha word made this verb has a consolidation meaning also. Importance of mind and sense organ consolidation is the subject of Ayurvedic Padartha Vidyan. Hiranya means Hiranyamaya. Rishi Yas also give Hiranya meaning as a Hitarmanam. Purush word made from Pura word and sleep meaning she verb. Probably here she verb represents soul dormancy. Sankhya and Vaidya both have same opinion about soul dormancy. In Purush word, if we take residential meaning of was verb, that is generalized form ush, then with less efforts we can define meaning of Purush.